Alright guys, good evening. This is the Blessed Man, and in this video I want to show you Wonton Airdrop, and this particular airdrop is currently paying right now. If you stick to my video, I'll be able to show you how this airdrop is actually paying. Okay, so just stick to the video. We are going to do it practically from the scratch. I decided to do this video from the scratch so that you can get everything that I'm talking about. There's a whole lot of airdrops on the space right now, but this is proven to be one of a serious one, because any airdrop that can actually pay you real money, you need to take their airdrop very seriously. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, share the video to people, and comment on the comment section. Comment on the video, give us a very good comment, and make sure that you share the video. Alright, so let's dive into this particular thing. So what you need to do is just copy the link that I sent to you, or you go to the description of this video. If you find this video on YouTube, go to the description of this video and you will find a link to this particular airdrop. If you are on my TikTok, make sure you go to the comment section and then comment for the link, and then I will send you the link. You can also click on the link in the description to also reach me on WhatsApp, and then I will be able to show you some other things in this particular airdrop. So let's move on right now. So once you are here, just click on this, click on start here. Once we click on start, okay, so just click on start. So what you need to do is to solve this mathematical equation. What is it telling us? 57 minus 10 is equal to what? So we're going to solve it. The answer is 47. Then I click enter. So the next thing is for you to click on continue. You just click on continue here, and then you click on continue, and it will ask you to select language. You need to select any of the language that you want, and then I'm going to be selecting English here. So right now I'll click on English, and then English language set to English. Click on continue. I will click on continue. Now the first thing we need to do is say welcome honor to get 50 watt Wonton. Subscribe to our channel. So I'll just click on subscribe button here. Just click on subscribe button. Just click on this to go and subscribe. Alright, so I'll just click on it right now. So when you are here, you just click on join. So when you click on join, you go back and then click on check subscription, and then you say welcome honor, you have successfully subscribed to the required channel. Alright, so click on continue. I click on continue, and boom, you can see Wonton big airdrop. Wonton is a new token on Ton with real world application. The coin will be the main in-game resource in the future. Wonton coin ecosystem. Okay, he said Wonton is a new meme token on Ton with real world applications. The coin will be the main in-game resource in the future Wonton ecosystem, and you can mine it right now. Okay, want to get even more Wonton? Just bring a friend, or better all your friends. Send an invite. Once a friend launches the boat and fulfills all the conditions, you will get 50 Wonton. Alright, so bonus will come for every friend that you refer. So this is what they are showing me. This is my balance of Ton. This is your Wonton balance. I have 50 Wonton. number of referral is 0. This is my referral link. So this is your own referral link here. All you need to do is to click on it and then be able to copy it. Now, how do you be able to navigate in this place? Let's look at the first thing I'm going to show you here is the wallet. Look at the wallet here. Just click here. Alright, it says to get your Wonton link a non-custodian wallet of Ton network. Example, Ton Keeper, Ton Hub, my Ton wallet. Send a wallet address in a message. So once you do this, you just paste this wallet address here. Just paste it here. Okay, just paste it here and it goes. So let me see if we can be able to do that. Let me go to my Ton Keeper. Let me go to my Ton Keeper and get a Ton wallet. Okay, Ton Keeper. I hope it's installed on this phone. So right now I am installing a Ton Hub. I'm installing Ton Hub for this purpose so that we can go over these things step by step. Just go to your Play Store and then type Ton Hub. You can either use any other non-custodian wallet, like if you can get Ton wallet or your Trust wallet or whatever, you can use it. You can use Ton Keeper, you can use Ton Hub, and so on. Any kind of non-custodian wallet that will enable you to get a Ton address, that's exactly what you can use for this. So right now we are opening this, so let me click on open. Alright, this is a new Ton Hub, protected, blah 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 blah. Okay, get a new wallet. So I click on get a new wallet. Create backup. I have read and accepted this. Okay, so I continue. So right now this is my copy your wallet address. Copy your wallet address and then complete the process. Okay. Okay, now by now you must have finished creating your wallet on Ton Hub, and right now this is what you have. So what you just need to do is to come here and click on remember, you can do this for any type of wallet, any type of non-custodial wallet. So I'll click on this. It will bring me to this place. I'll simply click on copy. Alright, I'll just copy this address. Then we'll go back to Telegram. Go back to Telegram and okay, sorry, choosing English, continue. We'll go to menu. Remember, I went to wallet. From wallet I just enter this my wallet and paste it here. It says success, your address is added for Wonton Airdrop. You can see this is already added here. This is already added, right? So we'll go back to menu, main menu. So these are some of the things that you need to do here for you to earn Ton here. Look at here. For you to be able to earn this Ton here, right? You need to refer. You need to start referring people. As you are referring people and then doing some other things, you are going to be earning Ton here. So let's look at some of the things that we need to do. If we want to earn Ton, you click on earn Ton. Alright, so let's look at what is showed here. You can withdraw 0.5 Ton. So you can see if you are able to earn up to 0.5 Ton, you can withdraw it 1 Ton, you can withdraw it 2.5 Ton, you can withdraw it. So let's look at what you need to do for us to earn this Ton. So promotion is active. What has been done, we replenish our pool by 1000 Ton. Promotion is extended till 17/7, that is 17 July 2024. Minimum withdrawal is 0.05 ton. At the moment, the reward for inviting a friend is 50 wonton and 0.0075 ton. Okay, so each person you invite will give you 0.0075 ton. You invite 50 persons to get a guarantee NFT. Invite 250 friends to get an exclusive NFT. Important: traffic spooning or spoofing with the help of various services is forbidden. All requests will be carefully processed. Okay, so this is my balance, blah blah blah. So now you can see, if I go ahead and begin to refer people, I can start earning ton, and once I get 0.5 ton, I can actually withdraw it. So that is why I tell you that this particular airdrop is paying, and they are paying real money. All right, so guys, let's enjoy this one while it lasts. So how do I earn 1 ton? So if I click on earn 1 ton to show us how to earn 1 ton, you see, recommended 300 wonton. All right, so recommend 300 wonton, repost. Once you recommend to somebody, you invite a friend, you get, okay, repost 70 wonton. Subscribe to our pepper set channel. Okay, so let me click on recommend. If I click on recommend, to get 300 wonton, you only need to fulfill 2 simple conditions. Add the prefix wonton to your Telegram name. All right, add your referral link to the bot in your Telegram profile description. Your referral link is this. Be warned that the terms will be periodically checked in case of non-compliance. I'm not going to do this because I'm already promoting magnets, and then my what is it called, my magnet logo is already on this, so I don't want to do this one. So but for you can go ahead and do this to get this 300 wonton. So let's go back. Let us go back to main menu. Okay, and this, I go to reposts. Okay, so let's look at this. Reward of 70 wonton. Forward this post to 3 friends. Okay, post link, forward this to 3 friends. Alright, so what do I need to do now? Let me go ahead and forward. I'll click on this. Okay, let me click on this. I'll select 1 person here. Let me select another person. Just go ahead and forward it to people, recommend it to people. I think you can even do more than 3. Okay, message is forwarded to 5 persons. So condition not met. To get this, send this post to 3 friends. Okay, this is the post they want us. I don't know if you saw what I did now. Okay, so what you need to do is to click on this post here. Click here so that you get to that particular post. So this is the post that they want you to forward. So I'll just forward this. Let me forward to my friends. Let me forward to these people here. Alright, so let me go and check again if I've gotten this. So let me check again. Condition not met. Why? Okay. check again. Okay, tax is done. Okay, so I go back to menu. You can see I have 120 wonton right now. I already have 120 wonton here. You can see it. Okay, so I'm just trying to show you how you can earn this. Now subscribe to this to get 30. So I click on this and then I'll subscribe. I'll click on join. Pepper said crypto news. So let me check. Not fulfilled. Check again. Not fulfilled. Check again. Tax is done. So if I get back to my menu right now, they've not given me the 30 wonton, but let me see if they are going to credit me later. So now there's another way for you to earn. Another way for you to earn here is through daily claim, right? You click on this. Every day you just come here, you log into this place and click on daily claim. Alright, so it says successfully claim 20 wonton, return in 24 hours. So every 24 hours you come here to claim. You know, this one is not tapping. Oh my god. So this is just a very simple task. This is the kind of airdrop I love doing. Don't have to do much, just refer people, come here every 24 hours and then you have to claim whatever you need to claim. So let me check another one here. Shop. It's saying in the store you can purchase wood box 500 wonton, bring in between 10 to 50 wontons, 10 to 50 wontons daily. That is, if you purchase this particular wood box, every day you get 10 to 50 wontons on daily basis. Now silver box will cost you 1,500 wonton. It will bring you 40 to 100 wontons every day. This is just like, you know, staking your wonton. Okay, so guys, I want you to take this airdrop very seriously. I think this one is actually going to cook for us. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and make sure that you forward this, share your link, share this video so that people can understand how to walk about this, and then share your referral link. Use this video to teach people how to take advantage of this, and then change your link. Make sure you use your own link so that you can be able to get your own. But make sure you subscribe to Wonton Bot through my link. Check it in the description, or if you're on WhatsApp, just chat me up and I will be able to give you the link. Also, if you're on my TikTok, make sure that you comment and I'll send you the link. So thank you guys, and God bless you all. The blessed man.